In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone. Then click on Device Name and type in whatever you want to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, hit OK in the pop-up. Then also OK in the second one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!